My name is Josh Davidson and I'm a PhD student at the School of Engineering and Physical Sciences. I came into maths more from the physics side of view. I wanted to research renewable energy, so I got into that, started that, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago in undergraduate. And obviously to study physics you need to study maths with it, and so they kind of came hand in hand. I didn't particularly enjoy maths at all at school or anything like that. Didn't see the point of it until I started studying physics and then really realised the power of it and just how useful it is. I wasn't particularly interested at all. I was more interested in sport at schools, to be honest. And it was, I guess, more through my interest in physics that came along an interest in maths. So I guess maybe if they hooked me in through the physics, perhaps more showing the point of it, I guess. I guess the physics showed me how maths can be used, whereas just maths by itself, it's quite boring, I guess, like it was at school. I guess the way I look at it is the stuff that you do in high school and first and second year maths is like being in grade 1 and 2 at primary school and you're just learning how to read and write. Like maths is the language, I guess, and so it's pretty boring learning there how to write CAT, cat and so forth, but eventually by the time you've mastered the language of English or mastered the language of maths, you can start writing stories. I guess that's what maths is to physics. It gives you the language to write the full stories, and when you start writing those stories and reading those stories, it's when it gets quite interesting, I think. I did it in high school, I did alright, I got AP1, and then came to uni and I actually failed first year maths twice, just so I could read the textbook the night before the exam, just like in high school, and it didn't happen that way. But just by itself, it just seemed like you're just doing these pointless exercises for the sake of doing exercises, like when they're doing Sudokus, or they for the point of doing Sudokus. But I didn't realise that I guess the power of maths. It wasn't until from the physics side of it that I saw the actual use of it, and I actually wanted to learn it. So it's hard to want to do something if there's no reward for it, I guess, and so I didn't want to learn maths just for the sake of learning maths. Yeah, I've started applying for postdoctoral positions in wave energy research. That's the big areas there at the moment are Western Europe, so in the UK, Scotland, Ireland, Scandinavia, those kind of areas, west coast of the United States as well. And so I started applying for positions there to hopefully get into wave energy research. Rather than just talking about this is X, this is Y, and just going on and on the board about it, showing how it actually can be used and what would you use it for and how it's used, I guess, rather than just what it is, learn it.